Hi, I'm Stephan from iSQI Group, and as we are working internationally, we are always acting local. That means here at the Brandwacht Game Reserve, we are supporting this local initiative together with our local friends from the Goericke family since 3 years already. And what you see here at Christopher's Hill is the new project we are supporting. That means we are supporting planting the tree initiative. That means wildering this countryside here and bringing the famous animals, the big five, back here to that place.
iSQI has been supporting the Brandwacht Game Reserve in the regeneration of trees. By planting resilient and indigenous tree species that are adapted to the challenging conditions of drought, wind and frost, iSQI not only promotes environmental protection and restoration, but also strengthens the local community. During the planting phase, work opportunities are created for the Brandwacht community. Help shape a sustainable future. We invite you to donate €1 to the tree planting project in the Brandwacht Game Reserve each time you order your certificate. iSQI is committed to doubling all donations collected and using them exclusively for the tree planting initiative. Every contribution counts towards a greener, more sustainable world.